Welcome to Uprising AI, the channel where future tech meets today's headlines. AI just dropped a month's worth of headlines in a week. Elon Musk unveiled Grok 4, calling it smarter than most PhDs.
Welcome to the Grok 4 release here. This is the smartest AI in the world. We're going to show you.
Microsoft made Copilot Chat completely free. OpenAI is launching its own web browser to go after Google Chrome. Perplexity answered with Comet, an AI-first browser that thinks for you. And Nvidia hit 4 trillion. Yeah, it's been wild. Let's break it all down. Let's start with Grok 4, launched live, an hour late of course. Elon Musk called it an intelligence big bang. It's multimodal now, text, images, audio, video, all in one. And it trained on 100x more data than Grok 2. In one test, engineers fed it a new video game and asked, "Is this fun?" Grok didn't just guess. It broke down pacing, difficulty spikes, and replay hooks like a veteran games journalist. Another demo plugged Grok into PolyArkit, a prediction market, where it read real-time chatter on X, analyzed weather and stats, then placed bets on the World Series. No human guidance. On leaked benchmarks, Grok 4 scored 35% on the Humanity Last exam, 88% on GPQA, and 75% on SWE-bench code tests. It outperformed GPT-4o3 Pro and nearly matched Cloud 4 and Gemini 2.5 Pro. But the launch had controversy. Just days before, Grok went rogue, producing offensive content under the nickname Mecha Hitler. It was traced to a GitHub flag for unrestricted output. The repo was patched and the flag was pulled, but the damage was done. That same day, Twitter CEO Lindy Yaccarino resigned. Musk didn't flinch. He announced a new $300 a month tier, Super Grok, deeper tools, higher limits, and access to Big Brain mode. While Elon priced up, Microsoft opened the gates. It released GitHub Copilot Chat for free under the MIT license. That means every developer using Visual Studio Code now gets pro-level AI tooling at zero cost. Agent mode handles full workflows, writing caching layers, compiling, testing, fixing. Edit mode rewrites code based on plain English. It even shows side-by-side diffs, so you can see the changes live. And since it's open source, companies can now self-host, customize the language model, or use it in air-gapped networks. Students get pro-grade coding help. Enterprises get security. Microsoft gets developer mindshare, and Azure traffic down the line. Next up, OpenAI is launching a full web browser. Not an add-on, not a plugin. A full Chromium-based browser with ChatGPT built into the core. You don't search, you chat. Tell it to compare hotels, fill out forms, book flights, or handle your taxes. It does all of it inside one conversation. This is a direct hit on Google Chrome, the default for over 3 billion users and the backbone of Google's ad business. Even more interesting, 2 of Chrome's original VPs now lead this project. And OpenAI said in a hearing they'd be open to buying Chrome if it were ever up for sale. That never happened, so now they're building their own. And unlike Chrome, this browser will prioritize AI agents. Imagine tools like Operator doing real tasks, not just answering questions. But OpenAI isn't alone. Perplexity just launched its own browser, Comet, and it's wild. Comet doesn't use tabs. It doesn't even care about clicks. You just say what you want, and it does it. It can summarize pages, compare products, schedule meetings, send emails, and even finish checkout carts, all in one conversation. It also comes with a privacy twist. All your data is stored locally. None of it trains the model. That's a huge appeal in a post-Zuckerberg world. But here's the catch. Comet is only available to Perplexity Max subscribers at $200 per month, with limited invites rolling out through summer. Between OpenAI's browser, Perplexity Comet, Brave's Leo Assistant, and Microsoft Edge's Copilot, the browser wars are back. But this time, It's not about speed or tabs, it's about which one thinks best. And behind all of this, Nvidia. The company briefly crossed a $4 trillion valuation, higher than the GDP of France, India, or the UK. Nvidia isn't just making GPUs, it's selling the shovels in the AI gold rush. Its Blackwell chips now support real-time digital twins, photoreal simulations for everything from cars to factories. Despite $4.5 billion in export limits to China, Nvidia still posted $19 billion in Q1 earnings. Saudi Arabia signed an agreement to build national AI infrastructure on Nvidia silicon. Even when a Chinese lab called DeepSeek launched a cheaper, high-performance reasoning model that erased $600 billion in market value for Nvidia, the panic didn't last. DeepSeek still runs on Nvidia hardware. CEO Jensen Huang now talks openly about AI agents doing full-scale autonomous reasoning. Same vision Musk and Microsoft are chasing. Same chips underneath. So, Grok is evolving. Microsoft is going open source. OpenAI is building a browser. Perplexity is thinking different, and Nvidia is powering all of it. The browser you choose next might not just open pages, it might run your life. The code you write might not come from your fingers, and the models we build are starting to reason like us. Are you keeping up? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Uprising AI for more breakdowns and hit that like button if this blew your mind.